So we've been living in Alaska for how many days?
3.
3 days. Which hotel? Hyatt?
Hyatt. It's right there. So Hyatt House.
Hyatt House.
Yeah.
Yes. You want to go check out the room?
Yes.
Let's go. This is the lobby of Hyatt House. Nice sitting area here. Couple of computers, sitting area there. Let's quickly take a peek.
That kind of looks like the Aurora light.
Nice sitting area here. This is where we are having or had our breakfast the one time we came down. The other days we were lazy and we're just eating up. And then inside is the breakfast area. And at night, you always see a few people around the bar having some drinks.
And this is a table that was just, I think that and that,
Eesa is saying this is the table we actually had our breakfast on. This is the store.
Hyatt House.
Hyatt House, yeah. As Globalist, we have been getting some water that is typically there, but I don't see water over there. And they got some chips and shaving cream and candy. Right, so there is reduced housekeeping. But they've been so nice giving us towels and extra stuff. Pretty cool. There is a conference room behind that barn door. And for summer, they also have a barbecue and a little bit of seating area out here. I think there's a pool back there.
Yeah.
You wanna go check it out, Eesa? That's the gym. The kids and mommy has been coming here for some workout. Right, it's
A bicycle and a treadmill.
open 24 hours.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
This looks beautiful. And I can smell the floor.
Oh, it's really warm in here.
Yes, it is.
And there's a nice big pool. Okay, I think it's time to go check out the room we have been staying in for 3 days. How about that? Ready? This is our room in Hyatt House. We have, as soon as you enter, you have a nice dining table with, interestingly enough, an office chair that actually I've used
Yeah.
to sit and work on
And have some meetings.
and have meetings all morning. There's a fridge. There's a key holder here.
Do not steal our keys.
Yeah. You say you want to open that closet? That's our coat closet. So again, we have been... This is day 4 of us living here. So you can see signs of us actually living. We got a lot of juices and eggs and whatnot. We have been cooking. Oh yeah. We got some naan bread, some ice cream and potato chips. We have been cooking here. It comes with all the utensils. As you can see, we have kind of loaded it up.
What's the So this.
And I think there is, yeah, we have been using all of their plates and spoons and pots and pans and whatnot. They also give out these
Soap.
dish soaps and yeah, more cabinet space, more signs of us living and using this. By the way, Alaska Chip Company, really cool chips. I'm gonna miss these.
Then we have this.
Garbage.
Wants to look at that.
Yeah. And so in the, hi mommy.
Hi, Eesa.
So the kids have been sleeping. This is a convertible couch. Kids have been sleeping here. There's a couple of small TVs.
Tablet.
Kids charging station here. Games down there. Some cabinets here. And then our view is up the mountains.
And then we
Not-
also
Not a bad view to wake up to every morning. We just have a couple of buildings blocking our view. But still, I'll zoom in. Look at those. That's
look
beautiful.
at those ginormous.
This is our quick living room and kitchen tour. Let's quickly go into the bedroom. And that's
Voila!
king size bed with the same view, a tiny TV. The hotel is maybe around, I think they said 2017, so it's a little old and it kind of shows signs of age here and there. But generally very clean and great for the family. Okay, so the same view that was in the other room of the mountains, Crown Plaza. The one thing is, and maybe it's just the time that we came here, these windows are just, dirty from outside, so hopefully the camera doesn't pick that up. I wish they were cleaner. So bedroom here, and then when you go, a lot of storage space for our clothes, for the kids' clothes. Then you have your second closet. We're keeping our suitcase, our backpacks, and then last but not least,
That bathroom.
our bathroom. Typical bathroom, no bathtub, a shower. I don't know if they have bathtubs here. Sink, toiletries. I did already talk about that there is no service in the room. They're not coming in the room. They're only coming here every 4th day. But they're very helpful when you flag one down in the hallway. We got extra towels and shampoo and whatnot. That's a quick tour of Hyatt House.
We're really having a lot of fun here.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a tiny space, but it's still good.
It's functional.
It's functional. It's tinier than other Hyatt houses that we have stayed in Charlotte, Fort Lauderdale. So it's definitely small. What was the last big Hyatt house we stayed in? Dallas, in DFW, close to DFW. That was massive. He had 2 bedrooms and a living room, but for the views, for the convenience of having a kitchen and being right in downtown, highly recommend. Eesa, would you come and stay in this Hyatt house again?
Yes.
The regular.
All of us got
I didn't see that. Yeah, so that should be medium.
I love bagels.
How's the bagel, guys?
The lemon water is very healthy because water is healthy and lemon is healthy. Even though some people don't want to eat it because only the lemon is sour, but the lemon is still very healthy.
And this is the Hyatt House lobby. Really nice. A lot of seats. Right next to the little breakfast area. And mommy went back for some potatoes.
Some more potatoes.
They just finished breakfast. They have juices, cakes, some sausages. This, by the way, is delicious. I don't really like packaged cakes, but this was really good. So pretty decent. And we don't need bacon. Bagels and some fruit. And that's the Hyatt House breakfast. I think mom's doing dad jokes right now.
There were too many sneakers in the locker room.
Sorry, what?
Sneakers.
I kind of get it. One more than 3.
Who puts potato chips in the fridge?